Wall Street's main indexes notched record-high closes on Thursday, with the Dow adding about 1.33%, the S&P 500 climbing more than 0.8%, and the Nasdaq rising about 0.7%. U.S. consumer prices rose more than expected in August, and the annual increase in inflation was the largest in 7 months. A separate report showed initial jobless claims increased for the week ending September 6th to the highest level in nearly 4 years. Sam Stovall, chief investment strategist with CFRA Research, says markets cheered the latest data, which ensures the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates at its meeting later this month.
Well, the stocks are up across the board today, I think primarily because the weaker than expected employment report really is now causing investors to say a September cut is assured, but also because we had slightly warmer month-on-month readings for CPI, the chance of a 50 basis point cut has been taken off the table, but a third cut has been added. So meaning 25 basis points in September, October, and December. So those three factors together, I think, have caused investors not only to cover whatever shorts there might have been, but also add new money. Well, one reassuring factor is so many people are asking whether the market is frothy and ready to turn around, which implies that there is a lot of cash on the sidelines that grudgingly may be put to work, at least as we head toward the end of the year, certainly by institutional investors who not only want to earn their bonus, but also keep their jobs. Certainly there are bricks in this wall of worry that we still have to contend with, such as whether the tariffs will be struck down from a legal perspective. Do we have to pay them back? What will that do to our debt levels, et cetera? What about increasing tensions in the Middle East? How might that spill over and affect the oil markets? So there are still a lot of concerns out there, but what usually upends a bull market is an unanticipated event, and I find them very hard to anticipate.
Shares of Tesla also boosted markets with a 6% gain, as did Micron Technology shares, which jumped 7.5% after Citigroup raised its price target on the memory chipmaker's stock. And shares of Warner Brothers Discovery leapt 29%. After the Wall Street Journal reported that Paramount Skydance is preparing a majority cash bid for the struggling media company.